Welcome back to Deloitte Demystifies. I'm Chandra Narra. I'm a managing director in the Deloitte's AI and data practice. Today, I will demystify a fascinating subject, autonomous agents. At a basic level, autonomous agents are systems that can function independently, making decisions and taking actions without our intervention. Think of self-driving cars or automated customer service chatbots. You might wonder, isn't that just automation? Not exactly. While automation follows preset rules, autonomous agents can learn, adapt, and make decisions based on circumstances and in their environment. So why should you, as C-suite executive, care about autonomous agents? These intelligence systems can significantly enhance efficiency, handle complex tasks, and even interact with customers or other systems on your behalf, giving you, your team more time to focus on strategic initiatives. A common misconception is that autonomous agents will replace human jobs. Instead, they are tools designed to augment human capabilities, taking over repetitive tasks, allowing us to focus on higher value work. Example of these agents include autonomous agents for algorithmic trading to make buy or sell decisions, or agents that can assist monitoring patients' health and alert healthcare professionals only when necessary. In conclusion, autonomous agents represent a significant advancement in artificial intelligence, offering opportunities to optimize processes, improve customer experience, and drive innovation in your organization. Thanks for watching.